I got an order. It was like right by my house.
No, she good.
It was a really shitty order though.
Yeah?
$6, no tip.
Always.
But at least it was
Yeah.
only 2 items from Walmart. So I know exactly where to go. Shit, I hate this street. I can see nobody coming. Okay, half an hour driving video. Not bad. Oh yeah, I drank the Pepsi today.
Nice.
And I have a card for you.
Oh, I know. Did you like the message say that on your phone?
On my phone?
Google phone.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, just look at me. You already know what
I saw that.
Ah,
I didn't want to ship it.
no? Why? You didn't want to pay the shipping tax?
Yeah, because it'd be like $30 for shipping
I know.
for no reason.
You know, what is it? Let me guess, Wilson. Well, you can't turn left. You shut him. What's the
Only
six?
until 6 p.m.
Yeah, and
6:42 right now.
6:42. You can't.
You can.
No.
You can't turn from 4 to 6. So
Yeah,
you
six,
can.
It's 6 right now.
6:42.
So at 7 you can. 6 you can't. Just joking. I'm pulling you like physically.
Oh yeah, I saw Evan get a membership.
Yours, yeah.
Yeah. From your gifted.
Yeah. Wait, but I thought Evan already had one.
He had a legend.
Oh yeah.
He was a legend membership.
So hopefully he upgrades.
Upgrades to what?
No, like hopefully he continues his membership.
Oh. Yeah, I don't know.
Because when I did that, it refunded me the money, but it didn't notify me until like 5 seconds later.
Oh.
And then it went negative. That's a couple of dollars because I bought and stuff, and I didn't have to. Yeah, so this showed him all right here. But we don't.
You want to stop here?
Yeah, I don't know if there's a shoe store.
Mm.
Jordan store, I think. Winners. We don't have anything. But there's a library here. Is that your truck? What, Jane it down? Is that good?
Yeah, Jane. The stupid shit is lagging though. So I have to look on my Apple Watch.
Why is it lagging?
Because the phone, I guess.
But can't you still see?
Yeah, but it's too cheap. So whenever I do anything on my phone, it lags.
Does it?
Especially when I'm live streaming. That's the worst. Are you gonna go live?
Maybe. I
Okay.
don't know.
I'll record a video.
I don't know though, because it might be buffering. I don't remember the last time I went there. What happened? Is it this guy?
Yeah.
I know the way. I could put it on my phone.
No, I can see it on my watch. It's not hard.
Okay.
But this thing is like from Ali.
Buffers it. Does it make it like pause the video?
Yeah, I think so. It's too cheap. Also, iOS is buggy.
Wait, it closes at 8.
8?
What the fuck? It says it. It said it closes at. It said it closes on at 9. What the heck? So that means we'll only have not even an hour to get there. Gotcha. So it takes half an hour to get there. No, it's fine. We get there at 8. We get there at 7. Then after, at 8 o'clock, what did you do with them? Lyft or whatever?
Maybe.
Yeah, we arrive at 7:50. Then take 400. Before I went. McDonald's.
Hey Siri. When does Aga Khan close today?
Just 8.
Yeah, that's crazy.
But it's funny, on the thing it said 9 o'clock, which I don't fucking get. I don't like that shit. They just leave it off. If I knew this, we could have done it next week after this. Like, well, I could also cancel the thing. If it's, and then we could do it next week if you want.
What? The museum?
Yeah.
No, we're gonna go. Just like
Because there's so much stuff.
last
Go there.
time.
Spin accident. The second fire truck that was on the line. Was that the same one that we saw? No, different. Oh, look on their website. On their website, it might be different. I can just call them. At 8 p.m., what the heck? I swear it's at 8. It said apparently it's closed for the day. What the fuck?
What?
I called them and saying it's closed for the day.
For the day?
Yeah, I just called them. Yeah, I'll call them back. Look.
Hello, you have reached the Aga Khan Museum. The museum is currently closed for the day. If you have a question for our team, please email us at
Fuck them then.
info@agakhanmuseum.org.
Like,
Damn.
I can still cancel it. And then do it next time.
Well, yeah, I guess you have to.
Cancel. Or I can call them at a different number. I have the website here. Explorer. No, wrong one. Tickets. Oh my god, that's annoying. 5, 6, 7, and 5, 6, and 7 p.m. What the hell does that mean? So is it different times? Yeah, Wednesday 10 to 5. At 10 to 8. Why is it closed? This doesn't make sense. I'll try calling them. Even though that's probably the same number. Navigate this page.
Yeah. I'm still gonna drive there.
Yeah, we could drive there and see if they're actually.
At least for
Closed.
the video.
Yeah.
The driving video. And then I guess I can do Instacart for a little
Yeah.
bit.
That sounds so nice. Whose car is that?
That's the Chrysler, I'm guessing.
Yeah, probably. It's
300
so
S.
stupid though. Like it was open. I should have called them and asked yesterday.
No, that's something else. Some other car.
It's not that. Probably this Honda like Audi maybe. It's not definitely not Ford. So it would be Ford. Contact us. General on this number right here. It's the same number. Let's see. Same number. Why would I email you? No. Not leaving a message for goofy ass. So they're actually all closed then. But we could just drive, that's fine. It's a video.
Yeah.
Sorry for talking during your video, guys.
Oh, it's fine. I'm gonna vote
and
copyright.
subscribe to Mr. Lee. I've been already. Ken truck. We're in a truck. So they're not that big way. There's no point now. Where's my TPL thing? But technically, no, I didn't. Because I didn't print it. That's good that I didn't print it. Because I can cancel it. Because if I print it, then I can't.
Really?
Yeah. You have to print it to activate my check. So you can let him if you want. Close that. That guy's still lucid. I don't think I was there. Is that right?
Maybe that car is the loud one.
What, the Porsche?
The Acura in front of the Porsche.
Maybe.
Oh.
You know what? I can call
Yeah,
Boom.
yeah. It's
Yeah,
that
it is.
one.
I could call Boom. 'Cause he knows. He knows about them. He knows about our because we weren't together. He might be with us. That's why we're working.
No, it's Wednesday.
Back. Still Boom?
I thought he's off Wednesdays.
Maybe. I called him earlier, by the way. Thankful thing with him now. Because it's goofy. That's a funny video this one. With you and Henry.
Oh yeah.
I like watching them. I even did a little sneaky thing called memberships.
Yeah, so
Because I'm tired of like it doesn't even say the dates. So, I'm not canceling it just yet. I might cancel it just yet. I'll log in, see if I actually have stuff fixed. That's weird. It is closing at 8. It's closing at 8. It's supposed to be open.
it's supposed to be open.
It says 10 to 8 Wednesdays, 10 to 5:30 Thursdays, Tuesdays, Mondays are closed. So everything besides museum is open. The restaurant is closed. Maybe that's why it says closed. Maybe they called the
Oh.
restaurant instead of the thing.
Oh yeah,
But-
maybe that was the restaurants.
But I don't think so. Because on the contact thing, they have the contact. And it says the museum is closed. Which is everything. Which I don't get.
That's weird. I
Yeah.
wonder why.
Hey Yoshi, are you driving those trucks? Not really doing that. I think Yahi is flying that airplane up there. Hopefully he doesn't. Hopefully he doesn't crash like Spirit. Spirit doesn't crash.
Or Delta.
Delta will definitely crash. Hopefully that's a better landing. I have 3 videos to edit already.
Oh, what videos?
I can't tell you. I'm joking. I'll tell you one of them. I rode the bus from my house, the 63, all the way to Eglinton West to Eglinton. I took the 63 to 34, not the 32, and then I, 63. Like 2 buses. Okay, I'll tell you. Because I'll probably upload this before you. Actually, no. I upload every 3 days, so.
Oh no, well there's gonna be music over
Oh, there
everything.
is.
I just forgot to put copyright-free music on the video with Henry today.
Oh, you bum.
That's why there is talking. Because I was trying to remove the copyright music
Yeah.
on YouTube and it wasn't letting me. And I was talking to Johnny
Yeah.
for the past like week. And he didn't know what to do.
Just leave it as is.
But I figured it out.
Yeah.
I figured it out.
Just take. Just go that way. Is that you getting off next one?
No, we have to go to the DVP, right?
Okay, I didn't get the full thing. Well, that's expressed wrong. Open P. Finest, finest.
DVP.
That's probably why it's so clogged up here. Oh, there's an ambulance. Oh, ambulance.
Leave 1035.
Hell no. I already let like 3 cars in front of me. Bitch ass.
Actually, we're going south down Domino's, right? Yeah.
DVP.
Yeah, south down. Because we're already north of Eglinton. Eglinton, I think.
Yeah, we are.
This is busier than a little busier than usual.
About what?
Oh, the
Con? Con? A little busier?
Yeah,
How's it busy if it's closed?
that's the thing. I'm gonna call them again. I don't care. No. No, not pushing no extensions. So no. I was these numbers as I say no. Never mind. So that's why I'm calling at this point. But not now.
2 Canadian tire trucks.
Yeah. Yoshi driving that one. Someone else is
That's all of Yoshi's Maple Leafs gear.
Yep.
That's all the gear he bought.
Yep. Hey Yoshi, I think I found you. Are we in this truck here? Are you coming with us to Arlington? Even though we're closed? said no. Smile.
Makes eyes here.
Said no.
I see.
Smile. Now we're getting close. Call me to win. 416-798-1035.
It must be you, Yoshi. Come on now.
On 035.
There's another one. Ask about this one. There's two of them.
How about this one, Yoshi? It's a different one. Not this song again. Yeah, I knew you were gonna do that.
See, I listen to those two. That's it. That's all I listen to. Virgin Radio and Z1035.
Yeah, Yoshi, you know that you're driving both of these trucks right now. Good song. This one, Yoshi. It's a good one. Alex just said good song. He was like, but that.
Oh,
That's how you sound.
not a good song.
No.
Too much. They play it too much.
That better not be another.
I have an idea.
What?
I'm gonna start uploading 2 of the videos.
Huh?
2 of each video. One is gonna be copyright-free music,
Yeah.
For everyone?
Smuggler.
and then the other video is gonna be just no copyright-free music, just whatever sound there was,
Yeah.
and for members only. I'm just gonna start doing that.
Michael's being mad again. He said, I will be texting in the chat for a while. I said, okay. I don't care. He's being talking. So simple. It's okay.
So that if members want to hear what happened,
Yeah.
they can. Because I know copyright-free music sucks. Sometimes it does. Sometimes it doesn't. But I think that's a good idea. I'll see how it goes.
Choose the road on the west side as the dust flies. Let it burn.
It's like 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks in. shit.
number 4 on the Virgin Radio Top 7, Lady
I should
Gaga
come
with
over today.
Abracadabra.
Yeah.
They seem to be keeping her appearance in Wednesday season 2 on Netflix under wraps, as she wasn't featured in
It's
the
okay.
season 2 teaser trailer out
What's
today.
going on
You get
there?
part 1, August 6th.
A crash.
Part 2,
Crash.
September
That's
3rd.
what the-
Tate McRae sports car number 3.
Oh, it's 24 for cruise. That's PS3. Sweet.
What happened? Holy.
Well, that's fucked. We're not going up that way. We're going to go home. We're going along this. Right?
Is Ken still live?
Probably. Probably in the east end of the west end.
Why would he be in the West End?
He lives there.
In the West End?
Yeah.
No. Doesn't he live east of Young
He's
Street?
still alive. He's in the west end. He'll. No. The dance. Isn't it? Yeah. It's Dundas. Go college. At least. And the person that we weren't supposed to be talking to is in there.
At least Johnny's trying to do something.
About, yeah.
Ken, I don't know about that guy. People are flying.
Just exit. That's it.
Winford.
Yeah. And it's right there. It's man's gonna lose to NBA again. Says, oh neighbor, you're back at 20,000, 2K25. He's gonna lose it again. A good comment. And Coke. Right there. It's about right. He just said close to too easy to beat.
Oh, really?
And then we have Kendrick Lamar. Drake and Kendrick Lamar. It looks open tonight. Oh wait, that's not it. It's over there. I lied. Wait, that is the entrance.
It is the entrance.
Oops. Hey, John. You don't have an advance though.
We're just gonna do this.
Wait, that's not the entrance.
Yeah, it is.
Isn't it that one?
No, it's this one.
Wait, it's 77 Now let's see it's closing. Well, the gates are still open. We have half an hour. Wait a minute, I forgot. Parking, we have to pay for parking.
Really?
Yeah,
Well, if it's closed,
we don't have to pay. Plus, we can just go in. Thanks for watching, guys.
only members will hear that.
It's okay. Right there. That's the entrance back over there. I'll leave my bag in here. I do not want to.
settle down for them. I'ma show you I'm a pro. I'ma take my time and try to